Welcome to Hildestone College's quick lesson series where our teachers give you some English language tips.
Hello and welcome to your new quick lesson. Today we're going to have a look at the words so and such. So and such make the words that follow stronger. Let's look at an example. You're so good at English. This means you're very, very good at English. So we can say so good at English. Good is an adjective. Or so easily done. Easily is an adverb. So we use so before describing words. Adjectives go with nouns. Adverbs go with verbs, like done here. Okay. Now, let's look at an example for such. You're such a good student. Now, you might be thinking, but hold on. There's good in that sentence too, and good is an adjective. You're right, but the thing is, it's part of the noun phrase, a good student. So because you have the noun there as well, we use such before it. Now we're going to see lots more examples, so don't worry if you don't feel very comfortable with that yet. So you can see we can say such a good student, or if it's a plural, such talented learners. And the key thing here is that in addition to the adjectives, we have nouns as well. So following such, we have a noun phrase. Okay, I'm going to be using that term quite a lot in a moment. Noun phrase. It's a noun plus other things that go with the noun. In this case, adjectives. Now I'm going to test you just to see how you do. You can see that there are gaps in these sentences. Have a look at them. Decide whether you need so or such. Remember, it's so before just an adjective or just an adverb, but such if it's a noun phrase. Have a go, and I'll show you the answers in just a moment. If you think you need a bit more time, just stop the video now. Okay, let's go through the answers then. Are you ready? Here they come. A hot day is a noun phrase. It's got an adjective, but there's a noun there as well, so we use such. It's such a hot day, I'm going for a swim in the sea. You can do that as well if you come to visit Broadstairs in the summer. My neighbour is so kind she lent me her car. There we just have kind, the adjective. So we use so to make it stronger. She lent me her car is a clause which has a verb in it. It's not a noun phrase. So kind is correct here. She's such a friendly person. She knows everyone. A friendly person is a noun phrase. So we use such. Number 4. We visited such interesting places on our holiday. Interesting places is a noun phrase. It's a plural, so we use such. You always dress so elegantly. Elegantly here is an adverb. It's describing how somebody dresses, so it's describing the verb. That's why we use an adverb there. And you know now that before adverbs, if we want to make them stronger, we use so. Number 6. You have such lovely eyes. They really sparkle. That's a very nice compliment to get, isn't it? Lovely eyes is a noun phrase. So we use such to make the lovely even stronger. And finally, I hope this is true for you. You did this exercise so well. You deserve a treat. You deserve a treat is a phrase with a verb in it. It's not a noun phrase. So well is our adverb here. It's describing how you did the exercise, I hope. And so we can emphasize it, we can make it stronger using so. Did you do well? Do you deserve a treat now? I hope so. Let's summarize. These were the phrases we had. Such a hot day. Such a friendly person. Such interesting places. Such lovely eyes. So you can see there we have 2 singular noun phrases and 2 plural noun phrases. All of them intensified or made stronger with such. Then for so, we only had 3 examples. You always dress so elegantly. So the so before the adverb there. You did this exercise so well. Well is also an adverb, and we've got so before it. My neighbour is so kind. Now kind there is an adjective, but you can see there's no noun phrase there. It's just kind. That's the only word we have there. So we use so there as well because it's an adjective on its own. I hope you have the feeling now that you've got the hang of this. Make sure you practice a little bit. You need to use this now. And I'll see you again soon for another quick lesson. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. That's it for this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.